Itiski TV, powered by World Sports Betting, itiskitimes.co.za. MTN 8, quarterfinals, namhlanje, the Amstel Orlando Arena. Orlando Pirates, bazibukele indawo ke kwi-semi-finals for the... Is it the sixth consecutive year or is it the fifth consecutive year? Basically in the semi-finals, because they've been playing this competition for a very long time. In the last 5 seasons, they won it 4 times. The last different team we win besides the Orlando Pirates.
Mamelodi Sundowns.
Thank you. Now they are about to play against Polokwane City. Phatheleke lo mdlalo lowo later on in the show. Mhlobo wami right?
Right ngana right.
No.
Yeah,
no.
It Shane as ngaphambi kwesikhathi ngona ngibulisa amadoda la studio. Ngona congratulations Orlando Pirates to qualify kuma semi-finals.
Yeah.
I think it was not easy for Orlando Pirates kule game. Ngicabanga ukuthi Shane we must give credit where it's due. I think Durban City they played well, Shane.
Yeah.
They played well, but ngicabanga ukuthi badlale njenge team ngicabanga ukuthi they understand and ngathi kulamalanga team ngicabanga ukuthi akusimanga kuma team afike esigodini enze lento enziwa iDurban City. So we must also give credit, I think, kule technical team and the players be Durban City. So uma ungathi uyayibheka the way iDurban City Shane inikeze Orlando Pirates ngakhona le game. From go red card 1-0 down ibuyize equalizer. Ngicabanga ukuthi akusimanga kuma team akwazi ukwenza lokho. So kumele sibanikeze credit. So uma ungathi uyayibheka Shane the way Orlando Pirates mina ngibona icale ngakhona first half, I think icale kahle Orlando Pirates. Even though bengekho aggressive njengoba sazi Pirates ngakhona, but for me ukucontrolla le midfield wakaDancing Nombatha ngicabanga ukuthi bekunikeza iOrlando Pirates idirection yokuthi yini kumele bayenze. The problem ila khona bese ifika ku number 10 Tito nomdlali uMbuthuma up front ukuthi uma sebafika yini into kumele ukuthi bayenze, because Orlando Pirates bebayithola leyo chance ukuthi they can go wide because ila iDurban City bebafuna khona. So ekugcineni uma ngibona especially Orlando Pirates icede ukukora bengicabanga ukuthi izoyicontrolla le game njengoba sebane red card beDurban City ikwazi ukuthi ingakora mhlambi second goal iOrlando Pirates, but ayizange kube njalo uma ungabheka the way iye ngakhona iOrlando Pirates second half. Shane akusamseme Pirates besiyibona first half. I think iye yayihlisa kancane uma ungabheka iOrlando Pirates la khona iDurban City ayizange Shane ibe nala ngicabanga ukuthi bengathi ngayenza something, but kuvele kwenzeka nje iDurban City yazo equalize. So uma ungathi uyayibheka Shane Orlando Pirates njengoba ngisho ngithi nale defense yayo, the more Shane ucontrol game kunala khona uthola ukuthi idefense yakho izoba weak Shane. Uma ungabheka idefense Orlando Pirates without le ntwana bathi uSiyema kule center back ngibona iproblem Shane. Hamba uyobheka kunenye ibhola la khona uLubumba bayidlale over the defense la ashiya khona uSibisi. Ngithande lento yenziwe lentwana uSiyema. Ubonile ukuthi manje uLubumba uzothola iadvantage, uzoba comfortable ukuthi angasaba neextra touch, but wenzani uboy wahamba wecover lesa space wamnikeza space isincane sokuthi akamana ikhabe leyabhola angabi neextra touch abe under pressure, and that's why we like, because kumele kube ne recovery. If ubona ukuthi i-teammate yakho kukhona la bayibhitha khona wena kumele ukuthi wenzeni ukhave. So at the end of the day mangaba khavile, unfortunately uma ngabe lamabhola enzeka so Shane kube nomdlalo oranayo weDurban City balifake lapha kulesa spot asuka kuso sizomblame sithi bekayapi, but I think he did very well uboy, because iDurban City kulela bhola bekuyi chance Shane bekuyi chance, but wayenza umsebenzi wakalubumba wenzani waba mncane Shane. Sengicabanga ukuthi you must give credit kule defense efana no Siyema, but uma ungabheka iOrlando Pirates defense Orlando Pirates Shane kunala khona ngicabanga ukuthi ilika khona, or maybe it's because of ayitholi i-team ehlala ibakhipha busy. You understand? Maybe lokuthi iPirates dominate ngeball position, same thing na kuMamelodi Sundowns. Uma ungabheka team efana neSundowns nayo uma ungayi-attack inama mistake, uma ungayifakela ipressure inama mistake. So ngicabanga ukuthi i-defense enjalo maybe that is why iba nama mistake Shane.
Yazi kukho player yeDurban City that impressed me after engenile, even though he didn't score, he's a striker, uMorris. Usuka naye ucoach uBen Yusuf from iKaizer Chiefs. Bonakala ngathi mhlawumbe nobikhonda beyibona even phaka kwiKaizer Chiefs, even though ke bengafani bamdlale, but I think naye he was injured, Morris, if I'm not mistaken. kubonakala ngathi une-plan ucoach Ben Yusuf ngaye uMorris because after engenile umbona indlela beyibhulisha ngayo la Senebheke Orlando Pirates uzawubaleka kangakanani uMorris for i-Durban City going forward, and also players like Abusi Fumba and also mfuna sithethe ngaye the new goalkeeper. I mean, for me, he was wonderful. Can't tell njengezo players nabo buzini.
Shane, ngicabanga ukuthi ucoach weDurban City kuMorris into ayibhekile ngiyacabanga ukuthi ile sibonile. Mina I thought my keeper lesa striker uLubumba mhlawumbe izodropa, but waletha umdlalo ne-energy, umdlalo ozowina lawo amabhola ozocontesta. Ngicabanga ukuthi lento bekayifuna ukuthi okay njengoba ngidlala ngelone striker ithi ngidlala ngomdlalo ozongcinela lamabhola so that sukwazi ukujoina, because first half mangathi ayibheka ifuna unganikeza iPirates ispace in front of their defense bona, because they were playing a 3 unotata no Pochenpool bese kuba ilentwana yes usan, you understand. So the 3 midfielders bebazama ukuvala lama pockets ukuthi no iPirates ingadlali, there are the Pirates iyodlala wide la khona bazazi ukuthi bagudu mangabe iya wide iPirates mayiletha lama cross bagudu nge-defending mawungabheka ba-organized abadlali be-Durban City. So ngicabanga ukuthi lento la yenza ukuthi ekugcineni ucoach we-Durban City asacrifice ngabadlali abafana nabo nodata going forward. That is why if ubheka unodata he's good going forward, uSirino noSifuma but ngapha because of so udonsela abadlali ukuthi ababuye bazoku-assista, obvious awuna number 10 ulinde bani uthola umdlalo ozokwazi ukuthi aholde lawo mabhola so that bamjoyine labo badlali, because ubonile ayikho into abuSirino bayenzile going forward, because ile nto bekayifuna ukuthi asibuye ngapha sizonikeza boShandu ichance mangaba ayithola, and he also played well uShandu mawungabheka because of ilale space bebamnikeza khona. Then sengicabanga ukuthi le defense Shane yeDurban City ngizohlala nginikeza credit aboncanana uma ungabheka nabo siyabonga lapha kule center back. Ngicabanga ukuthi they did well Shane because bazi kahle ukuthi yazi wonke ama-duels ngicabanga ukuthi bawina wonke Shane uma ungabheka blocking, interception, ubheke na the way ama-clearance wabo abangakhona, second ball Shane back good in a second ball ya defense. So it's difficult for a team ukuthi ungadlala ne team efana leyo, because Orlando Pirates tried by at the end of the day Foster Dancing nabombatha to take a shot out of the box because they understand ukuthi labantu bavalile. So mina bengicanga ukuthi Orlando Pirates izothi mabathole red card ilethe mhlawumbe attacker mhlawumbe ibe ne double number 10 la khona kumele unikeze iDurban City ioption ukuthi if ifuna ukuya wide kube nabadlali abayi2 abazoyinikeza iproblem, because ubonile abo Apolis bebanga-function. If uApolis noMremi if front line yakho Shane ma attacker wakho afunction kuyoba nzima for wena. That is why so ugcina uya wide uma ubuya bablockile Shane ba-organize machita weDurban City. But so ngiyacabanga ukuthi ekugcineni Orlando Pirates ukwazile ukuthi idlale njengama champagne chain, abolungu bakwazi ukuthi le chance abayitholayo it was a half chance because lela bhola bekunabadlali lapha, but the shot ayikhiphe lapha lo yamdlali we understand. So we must give credit Shane kulabo badlali. I think ukuthi no Khositsile kumele ukuthi uboy aride igame sometimes angeke ubathathe bonke abadlali kunala khona kumele wazi ukuthi okay they know ukuthi ngizobathatha ithi ngibaba ngikhumbuza kudala kwaPhesitawo asafika kuSundowns the likes of aboMagalwa, but uzokhula ngiya understand ukuthi coach kukhona la kumele improve khona uboy because yena is good. Angifuni ukutshela ngama 1v1 baningi abasazohlupheka Shane kule yantwana.
Obviously masivale mhlobam, we have another game to catch where Sundowns and Polokwane City eLucas Masterpieces Moripe Stadium. So Peter like analysis selomdlalo later on just after lo mdlalo. But from myself and Lubobo, it's Orlando Pirates 2, Durban City 1. Thank you so much for watching Itiski TV.
Thank you.
Hola Bafetu, this is Junior Kanye. Please subscribe to Itiski TV.
This is Bongane Benedict Villagazi, they call me so. Niazi Bafetu, I'm a coach for life. They are back in winning ways. Please, I tell you to subscribe to Itiski TV.